Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Shark HydroVac MessMaster, a powerful 3-in-1 vacuum and mop combo that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. It's designed to handle wet and dry messes simultaneously, making it an intriguing choice for homeowners looking to simplify their cleaning tasks. But how well does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. At first glance, the Shark HydroVac MessMaster stands out with its promise to vacuum, mop, and self-clean all in one go. This product is tailored for sealed, hard floors like wood, tile, and vinyl, with a strong suction system that's supposed to pick up both dry dirt and wet messes. What makes it unique is its ability to also refresh area rugs by lifting surface dirt and odors, a feature that's especially appealing to pet owners or anyone who wants to keep their home looking fresh. The unit operates with a 2-tank system, which is a great touch for hygiene. The clean water stays separate from the dirty water, meaning you're not pushing dirty water around the floor. This is something people often overlook with traditional mops or vacuum mop combos. The machine also includes 2 brush rolls, which is great for tackling different types of messes. And if you need a little extra power, there's a stain boost mode that doubles the cleaning solution, perfect for tougher stains. Now, in terms of suction power, Shark doesn't disappoint. The HydroVac's suction is strong enough to pull in both debris and wet messes without leaving streaks. For those with pets, it handles fur remarkably well, making it a solid choice for pet owners. The continuous self-cleaning brush roll is also an interesting feature. It helps prevent dirt from redepositing, and an antimicrobial treatment minimizes mold and mildew buildup. That's a big win for maintenance and keeping your vacuum mop cleaner fresher longer. One thing I really like about this model is the LED display, which shows you real-time battery status, tank levels, and cleaning modes. It's a simple but smart addition that makes managing your cleaning sessions so much easier. On top of that, the rinse cycle on the dock ensures that your HydroVac is always ready to go. No mess, no fuss. It's a quick flush that prevents clogs and keeps the machine in tip-top shape. When it comes to usability, the HydroVac is impressively lightweight and cordless, giving you the freedom to move from room to room without worrying about being tethered to an outlet. This feature alone makes it an ideal option for anyone with a large home or multiple floors. Plus, the dual-purpose cleaning means you can move through the house quickly first, doing both vacuuming and mopping without needing to switch tools. However, it's not all perfect. While the HydroVac excels at cleaning on hardwood, laminate, and tile floors, its performance on thicker rugs may not be as strong as some users would like. It's great for refreshing lighter rugs, but might struggle with deeper cleaning tasks on heavy, dense carpets. Another downside is the weight. While it's not too heavy to handle, it can feel a little bulky when maneuvering around tight spaces or under furniture. But that's something you get used to once you get a feel for the machine's design. The 12-Autz's multi-surface concentrate that comes with the HydroVac does a good job of neutralizing odors, especially if you have pets or a household with kids. However, it's worth noting that the solution is a one-time use, so if you want to keep replenishing your tank, you'll have to buy more. The good news is that the machine is compatible with other cleaning solutions, so you can tailor it to your preferences. On the downside, as a cordless unit, the battery life may not be ideal for larger spaces if you're doing long cleaning sessions. In normal mode, you get about 30 minutes of runtime, but if you're using stain boost or max suction, that number will drop. It's enough for typical home use, but something to keep in mind if you have a large area to cover in one go. Now, in terms of value for money, the HydroVac sits at a premium price point, and it's definitely more expensive than traditional vacuums or mops. However, considering its versatility, especially the fact that it vacuums, mops, and self-cleanse, it could be worth the investment if you're after convenience and efficiency. It may not replace a deep clean carpet vacuum entirely, but for daily upkeep on hard floors and light rug refreshment, it's a solid buy. Let's take a moment to compare it to some alternatives in the market. If you're looking for a vacuum mop combo in the same price range, models like the Bissell Crosswave or the Tyneco iFloor 3 come to mind. The Bissell offers similar multi-surface cleaning, but lacks the self-cleaning function that makes the Shark so user-friendly. The Tyneco iFloor 3, on the other hand, provides similar suction and cleaning capabilities, but it may not handle wet messes as efficiently as the HydroVac. In terms of build quality, the HydroVac feels solid, with no noticeable flimsy parts. The construction is sturdy, and the plastic components seem durable enough to last through regular use. The hose and brush roll are both well designed, and the dustbin empties easily, though you may want to clean the brush roll regularly to keep it functioning properly. As for customer support, Shark has a pretty good reputation in this area, and the warranty coverage should give you peace of mind if anything goes wrong. There's nothing in the specs that points to any major reliability issues, but as with any appliance, a little care and maintenance will go a long way. In conclusion, the Shark HydroVac MessMaster is a versatile tool that excels at what it promises, combining vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning in one compact device. It's perfect for homes with sealed hard floors, pet owners, and anyone who wants to keep their floors looking fresh with minimal effort. Its lightweight design and powerful suction are key selling points, but it's not the best option if you have thick carpets or need long battery life for large areas. Ultimately, if you're looking for a convenient all-in-one cleaner for everyday use, the HydroVac could be the right choice. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Shark HydroVac MessMaster, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review. If you've used this vacuum, let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments. Always love hearing from you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, with Reviews Inside TV, your next clean might be your best clean.